Life is full of disagreements. We argue with family. We disagree with coworkers. Sometimes these disagreements become big problems. These problems can lead to stress, anger, and even legal battles. But there's a better way to resolve disputes: mediation. Mediation is all about finding common ground. It's about working together to find a solution that works for everyone involved. It's not about winning or losing. It's about moving forward in a positive way. Mediation can be used for a variety of disputes. These include family disputes, workplace conflicts, and even business disagreements. If you're facing a conflict, consider mediation. It might be the answer you've been looking for. In this essay, we'll explore the ins and outs of mediation. We'll discuss the role of the mediator, the importance of confidentiality, and the benefits of this approach. So, buckle up and get ready to learn about a better way to resolve conflict. Mediation is a voluntary process. This means that everyone involved must agree to participate. No one is forced to be there. It's a confidential process, too. What's said in mediation stays in mediation. This allows everyone to be open and honest without fear of judgment. The goal of mediation is to reach a mutually acceptable agreement. This means that everyone involved feels good about the outcome. The mediator doesn't make decisions for the parties. Instead, the mediator helps the parties communicate and negotiate with each other. Mediation is a flexible process. It can be tailored to meet the specific needs of the parties involved. It can be used to resolve a wide range of disputes. Mediation offers a more informal and less adversarial setting compared to court. It's about finding solutions, not placing blame. The mediator is a neutral third party. They don't take sides. Their job is to facilitate communication and guide the parties towards a resolution. The mediator helps the parties identify their interests and needs. They also help the parties explore different options for settlement. The mediator doesn't give legal advice. They don't tell the parties what they should do. However, they can provide information about the law and how it might apply to the situation. The mediator is an expert in communication and negotiation. They create a safe and respectful environment for the parties to talk to each other. They help the parties to understand each other's perspectives. The mediator is committed to helping the parties reach a fair and equitable agreement. They work with the parties to ensure that the agreement is workable and sustainable. Section 4. Confidentiality. What happens in mediation stays in mediation. Confidentiality is crucial in mediation. It allows everyone to be open and honest without fear of their words being used against them later. What's said in mediation stays in mediation. This means that the mediator can't be called as a witness in court. There are some exceptions to confidentiality. These include situations where there are allegations of child abuse or elder abuse. In these cases, the mediator is legally required to report the abuse to the authorities. Confidentiality helps to build trust between the parties. It creates a safe space for them to share their feelings and perspectives openly. This openness is essential to finding creative solutions that work for everyone involved. Confidentiality also protects the parties' privacy. They can discuss sensitive matters without fear of public exposure. This privacy is especially important in family disputes, where maintaining discretion is paramount. Section 5. Mediation versus court. Key differences. Mediation and court proceedings are very different. Mediation is a voluntary process, while court proceedings are mandatory. Mediation is confidential, while court proceedings are public record. In mediation, the parties control the outcome. In court, the judge makes the final decision. Mediation is typically much faster and less expensive than court proceedings. This is because there are no formal court hearings or trials. Mediation focuses on finding solutions that work for everyone. Court proceedings often focus on determining who is right and who is wrong. Mediation is often less stressful than court proceedings. This is because it's a more informal and less adversarial process. Mediation can help to preserve relationships. Court proceedings can sometimes damage relationships further. Mediation is about finding common ground. Court proceedings are about winning and losing. Mediation empowers the parties to take control of their dispute. Court proceedings often leave the parties feeling powerless. Mediation is the answer.